For safe wiring, follow the general thumb rule that any outlet within 6 feet of a sink or in wet locations needs ground fault circuit interrupter protection. GFCI placement starts with a clear map of the home, so you can mark all countertop, sink, garage, outdoor, basement, and bathroom locations that require protection under the code. For kitchens, place a GFCI at every countertop receptacle that serves the counter surface and on any island or peninsula receptacle. Treat ranges and hardwired appliances per their specific circuit rules. In bathrooms, protect every receptacle, including those for lighting or heated floors if they are within the bathroom space. Garages, unfinished basements, and outdoor outlets are all GFCI required because of exposure to moisture and extension cord use. Place the device at the first outlet on the circuit or at the branch circuit origin to protect downstream receptacles. When a branch circuit serves both bedroom or living areas and required wet locations, consider using combination arc fault circuit interrupter / ground fault circuit interrupter devices where local code requires both kinds of protection. For distances, measure from the edge of the fixture or sink rim to the receptacle and keep protected outlets within 6 feet to comply with the typical 6-foot thumb rule, but always check the current National Electrical Code for exact wording. Installers should test each device after installation using its built-in test and a portable GFCI tester and label the panel with which circuits are GFCI protected so homeowners know what trips together. A common mistake is assuming only the obvious sink needs protection and missing nearby counter or shaving outlets. Remedy that by walking the space with a tape measure and marking 6-foot zones around every wet fixture. Another issue is putting a GFCI at the end of a circuit and leaving upstream required points unprotected. Fix this by placing protection at the circuit origin or reconfigure wiring so all required locations are on a protected run. People also forget combination device requirements and install plain GFCI devices where both arc fault and ground fault protection are mandated. Solve this by specifying and buying the correct combination devices or using 2 devices in series only when allowed by code. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for electrical and remodeling work and helps contractors list jobs and connect with customers. We also host a discussion community where members share installation tips and local experiences so we can all learn safer, code-aware practices